Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks on how to make money and achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we're going to talk about some ways to make money online. Tip number 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services to clients online through websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can work on your own schedule and set your own rates. Tip number 2. Online surveys. Another way to make money online is by taking online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they are willing to pay for it. You can sign up for survey websites like Swagbucks, Toluna, or Survey Junkie, and earn money or gift cards for sharing your opinions. Tip number 3. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a social media following, you can make money through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services to your audience and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Companies like Amazon and Commission Junction offer affiliate programs that you can sign up for. Tip number 4. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by tutoring students online. Websites like Chegg and Tutor.com connect tutors with students who need help in various subjects. You can set your own rates and work on your own schedule. Tip number 5. Sell digital products. If you're creative and have a skill like graphic design or writing, you can create and sell digital products online. You can create and sell things like e-books, templates, printables, or courses on websites like Etsy or Gumroad. And that's it for today's video. We hope these online money-making tips have given you some ideas on how to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. Remember, making money online takes time and effort, but with persistence, you can achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to achieve financial success.